Hello and welcome to it's on. I turned it on ages ago.
Oh, hi. Hello, my Indian public.
Yes, it's another Saturday update for you. It is Saturday the 18th of April 2026.
Long time, yeah.
And we have some news for you this week. This week we are doing a big reveal of our secret project that we've been working on.
You've been working on it. Hi, Sammy.
That is the dog from the flat upstairs that you can hear.
He's called Sammy.
He's called Sammy.
Nice dog.
He's a nice dog. It's a big reveal. It's not really a big reveal and it's not really news. It's not exciting anyway. There's nothing exciting. Calm down. Yeah, basically our secret project is to another reinstatement of something that we reinstated our loyalty cards a little while ago and they seem to be working really well.
Yeah.
Quite a few of them have come back.
We had a little tweak with that one. Instead of giving a percentage off, actually you just get a straight fiver off when you fill the card up.
Yeah, people seem to understand a bit better. A little while ago, just over a year now I suppose, we did something.
You decided?
We decided to stop doing something and we took something away from you. And we've had a lot of people going, oh, I really wish you could do that again and we could have this. And so anyway, we've taken it on board and we have reinstated our website as of now. Okay, we stopped our website because it was costing us a huge amount of money. Not only in money but in time as well, because we have a lot of stuff and to keep a list of it all on the website and keep it all up to date with an online shop was just a lot of work.
I was kept busy.
You were kept busy.
Yeah.
And so we decided to stop it. Now during COVID that website was brilliant because you could keep ordering your stuff from us, your refills, your whatever else, and we went out and we delivered everything. And it just meant that during that really difficult time we could actually still trade as a business, you know, it got us through. But after COVID, quite rightly, you all came back into the shop and sales dropped. And
on the website? On the website,
And so it became unviable to keep paying that amount every month for it, just to keep it running and for you to use as a list. So basically we now have a new website which is not an e-commerce website. You cannot buy anything through it. It is purely a website, and on there are now lists of things that we have, because that was your main little, not moan at us, but I don't know what other word I can use. Your main thing was you cannot now see what we have in here because you were using that website not to buy from but as lists to see what we had, and now you can again.
Yeah.
But they are only PDF files. They're not searchable. You can't search for anything on there. You will just have to look at them. So I've had some help from Stan, so I have to credit Stan for helping
Well
me.
done, Stan.
Well done, Stan. There is a laptop version and a mobile version, and they're both slightly different because, they have to be slightly different. So the laptop version, here it is. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll have to bring it. A brand spanking new laptop version. With a nice new website on it. Okay, and I'll reveal that later. But it has, I can't see backwards to see what I'm doing. Let's go up to here. Let's pick that one for instance. Anyway, if you can have a nice little trawl around it and see. It's a fancy thing. I've tried to put fancy things on it. I'm not very fancy. I'm not very computer literate, to be honest, but I've had a go. There is actually a mobile version as well. Martin, your phone's turned off. I'm using Martin's phone for this because I'm using my phone to record on, because I would normally use that to record on. But I needed to show you. There's a mobile version as well, obviously. Alright, so it's got, does it all. You can have your phone back now.
Oh, thank you.
So, yeah, like I said, not a searchable website, but at least there are lists on there. I didn't even show you a list, did I? No. Let's go on here. So let's go to household cleaning products, for instance, and if you click on there, it will tell you, it will go through a list. It's literally just a list. It'll tell you, I'm trying to see this so you can see, just a list of what there actually is in store, and it will also have a list of what you can refill in store and what you can wholesale from us, because a lot of customers do wholesale, bulk buy wholesale quantities through us, and it tells you how you can do that. We won't send them out. You know, if you're not in Huntley or you can't pick up from Huntley, I'm afraid you can't buy from us, because we're not doing that anymore. No, it's just pick up only, or local delivery if it's a big item. So yeah, so you have your lists back again. We did listen, we have learned, we've taken it on board, we've done something about it. Hopefully that is, hopefully that'll work. Those lists are already out of date. We've already...
I keep buying things.
I've already been amending my lists, but they're not amended on there. I'm only going to do that once a month or so, just to put a new list on there.
The date will be sent out, updated once a month.
Yeah. When you click onto a list, it will say correct as at whatever date, and then you'll know how up to date that is. Pretty much.
I'm afraid nowadays things change every week, or some items do.
It doesn't list anything of our gift size. It's literally the produce, like the food and whatever that you can buy pre-packaged and loose and wholesale. The same with the household cleaning items and the health and beauty items. Nothing else is on there. The gifty side of things are not on there because I don't have a nightmare. It would take me too long to even list them, let alone anything.
Also, with the wholesale, right, it's not just items which we sell. No. SEMA have changed their rules, and we can now purchase just about anything from SEMA, and it doesn't have to be a full case quantity. No. There is minimum quantities for certain items.
But you can
so just
come and talk to
bell.
us about that. Yeah. And also, like you said, it doesn't have to be something that we sell, because, like, for instance, this week somebody collected dog food that we'd ordered for.
Yeah.
You know, it's not on our shelves. We don't sell it, but if we can get it through our current wholesalers, we can order it for you and you can buy it in bulk.
SEMA supply an awful lot, if not the majority of food, which is on the ethical superstore.
Yes, yeah.
So instead of going through them and having to pay delivery or whatever, just come speak to us. We're more than happy to add it to our order. Yeah.
Absolutely. So there you go, that was our big reveal. Wasn't very exciting really, was it? But anyway, a new website. It has a different web address to our last one because we currently couldn't get it. So I wonder who is using our old website address. There's another ethical gift shop out there. I know there's one in Bristol, but that has a different...
I don't know.
Yeah, no, there is one in
Bristol.
Yeah,
there is one in Bristol.
It's a different website address, so I don't actually know who's using our old website. But anyway, so it is the same as this channel. It is Ethical Gift Shop Refillery. That is all one word. .co.uk. I will put a link to it in the description box below. Check it out. Have a look. See what you think. And also thank you very, very much to Lewis of Crafted Comforts and Kate of Barking Mad Textiles, because although I've populated the website and I've read it and read it and read it and read it, and you've read it and read it and read it and read it. when you're doing something, in the end, you're not actually reading what you've written. You're remembering what you think you've written, basically. So those two guys, brilliant. There's crafters that we sell their items in here. We have done for years and years. We got them to, because I publicised it a while back, push the button on it, and they've been the past couple of days scrutinising it and looking at it. And interestingly, they've both given us feedback, and they've both found like spelling mistakes and this and that and the other, but neither of them have found the same thing. They've both come back with different things that they found. So it just goes to prove that if you are doing a big project like this, get other people to look it over first before you do publish it, because they'll find mistakes that you can't.
Yep.
You just don't see them after a while, do you?
Cool.
So yeah, have a look, see what you think. It is an evolving thing. It might evolve. I might put something else on there. I might not. But
Well, we'll see.
we'll see how it goes. Shall we head off to refills then, my dear?
Why not, my love?
Oh, I've got to get back to my home page now, because obviously our refill total is now on here as well. There's something else I've got to remember to update.
Once a week.
But yeah,
Now, I will remind you at least once a week.
your refill total on the website might not be as up to date as the one on Facebook and Instagram and everything else.
And the shop window.
And the shop window, yeah, obvious. Yes, I keep forgetting I put it in the shop window. Right, okay. Oh, come on. Right, so shall we do the I never know what he's going to do. Refills then. Monday we did 26.
Tuesday, 29, my age.
Wednesday 38.
Thursday, 44.
Friday 48.
Saturday, 34.
Making our weekly total 219. Do you want to do the honours? As it's your
okay.
job. Our overall total
Total is 61,000.
Are you going to show it them?
Oh no, I'm going to shout it out.
Well, they can't see it from there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you've moved it. This is going well, isn't it?
61,917.
Yay! Fabulous. Thank you. Thank you, mister. Thank you.
Hiya.
Right. So that's basically about it. Are we dancing around here? We're in a corner. I thought it would look better in a corner, and it's quite tight. Yeah, thank you ever so much. Usual stuff. Thank you for shopping with us this week and for putting up with us, and yeah, everything else. Before we go, there's one last thing for me to say, and I want to wish, or we both want to wish, incredible good luck to the Huntley women's football team for tomorrow's match. They are playing in the semi-final of the Scottish Women's Football League Cup tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock, here in Huntley, Christie Park in Huntley. So, and it's Huntley women's football matches are always free to attend. So, if you are available tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock, go along and support them, because they're in the
They've
semi-final.
done really, really well for just, 2-year-old, the club?
Yeah, 2.5, 3,
yeah.
something like that.
They've done really well.
Yeah, so yeah, if you're around in Huntley tomorrow, 2 o'clock, Christie Park, it's literally 2 streets over. Free afternoon's entertainment. I think that's it now.
Okie dokie.
Alright, thank you very much. We will see you next week. Bye bye.
Goodbye now.